as invisible soldiers, invisible angels, invisible ways in which He works. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has brought out of this ummah a very visible solidarity with Palestine that's been missing for a very long time. They're losing. And we have to keep that in mind. And we are able to process this on an individual level and on a community level. When the Imam bin Taymiyyah rahimahullah ta'ala says, what can my enemies do to me? If they kill me, it is shahada. If they imprison me, it is a chance to be secluded with my Lord. If they expel me, that it is a chance to contemplate on the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is shahada or qadwa or siyaha, tadabbur. When Ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah says that on an individual level, we say that as a community level right now, and you can see it in the people of Gaza. They're saying it. They're saying it. SubhanAllah. I want you to ask yourself, that man, Wa'il, the journalist that you all saw, our dear brother Wa'il, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for him and have mercy on his family. What human being can pick himself up on the same day that he buries his wife and children and still report on the crimes towards the people of Gaza? Where does that come from? But he knows that every minute away from that camera exposing the crimes against the people is a moment of joy for that enemy. And he doesn't want to give it to him. He feels the responsibility of being there. I take us back to that and we ask ourselves, if we were nurses and doctors right now in a shifa, and we were running around those hospitals trying to cure the patients, and we were digging in the rubble to try to find a child, knowing that there are maybe 300, 400 children in this pile, but I can get one. وَاصْبِرْ فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يُضِيعُ أَجْرَ الْمُحْسِنِينَ. Be patient. Allah does not let the reward of the good doers go to waste. The brothers and sisters, this is a time that our faith requires something stronger from us. This is a time that we do not cower. This is a time where you are going to be intimidated, where you feel the full thrust of the political establishment and the media establishment against you. وَاصْبِرْ فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يُضِيعُ أَجْرَ الْمُحْسِنِينَ. Be patient. Allah will not let the reward of the good doers go to waste. This is not the time for us to lay down and say it's over. We prepare ourselves for moments like this in history. And for every period in history, there are people that rise to the occasion. And that's not always someone with a large platform. That's someone with a persistent heart. SubhanAllah, the efforts of people over years and years and years and years, because they know that they are not investing into a wastebasket. They know that they are investing in their book of deeds with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and that they will see each and every single one of them on the day of judgment. We're a people who, when we make dua, no matter how small we feel, you know, I'll tell you something that I was thinking about, and it is a trick of shaitan. As I raised my hands to make dua one of these nights, I thought to myself, what is my dua to one of those people in Gaza? How small am I that my Allahumma in the comfort of my home is even in the same league as that woman in Gaza? And I realize it's a trick of shaitan.